Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So I just wanted to show you exactly what I'm doing with getting these out of the garden. The aerator brings it up for the roots, pulls it out, then I separate it like that clump over there, and then I hose it off so it's nothing left but roots, like this one. You get most of it off anyway, so then I flood it. I'm probably going to flood both of these again. Look, we got tomatoes. I don't want to give them up to the frost. And that's one plant. It splits right there, so it's beautiful. The only way I could get it without losing, breaking branches or losing the fruit was to take it up with the cage and transport it with the cage. I think I got three, or looks like three, but got a pepper there, got a pepper there, so it's awesome. So if you're thinking about prepping and all that, then you got canned goods, you got dry goods, you're gonna have to have seasonings in there. So you got a little bit of herbs and vitamins and minerals, so if the grid goes down for a week or a month or a year, you still got some goods. If you don't have the vitamins and minerals and the nutrients and the herbs and such, you can get sick and you might not recover. This way, with an off-grid garden, grid goes down, I still got fruits, still got vegetables, and I'm still digging. I'm about ready to call it a day though, but I know I don't want to lose these cherry tomatoes. And since I don't have a cage around these, I think there's two. Yeah, look at the stalk on that. So we still got fruit on this. And down here, there's a couple more, quite a few more. So, and this is my favorite over here too, but that's going to be tricky because 1, 2, 3. So I don't know how I'm going to get all that by myself, but I just might try. Because look at there. There's one. I'm going to eat it right now. Yummy, yummy. Here we go. Haha! Not even going to brush it off. Oh, good. I'm going to pull this out too. Those are good. That one's turning. That might have to come in. The good one. I'll have to pick that bad one off. If that's the same plant, look at there. Oh man. I don't know if I got any of these. I don't even know what kind of pepper that is. Man, look at all that fruit. So I had so many frosts already. I'm not willing to give these up. Yeah. But it takes time. My hands are freezing. They're really, really, really cold and dirty. So the grow room is off grid at the moment. We had sunny this morning, then we had cloudy for a while. It got really cloudy for a while. I don't know where they all went, but I've been busy so I didn't notice. So I don't know how many hours I'm going to get out of the sky. And I think you're supposed to measure for a 5-day period. Say you got 2 days sunny and 3 days cloudy over an average of how much you make average. So I can set the timers to the lights, all the grow lights, and I got a humidifier that I had to go make shift some filters. So I'll be able to get one filter in today, and another one will be here Thursday, Friday. and we'll go from there. But as soon as I break away and get these panels so I can get up to 2,000 watts an hour instead of 1,000, changing the batteries from 12 to 24 volts, then I can draw in more. I got to get the other batteries down and start a whole nother system, because I was doing this, get the refrigerator off grid, but it's not making enough right now. If I could take it, if I take Jeff's batteries to 48 volts, I bet I could do it. So I'll be doing the math for a little bit, see how I can work that all out. At 48 volts, I can take in a lot of electricity, probably all of 13 plus some in the back. But yeah, time will tell. But I'll do the math, see how that works out. If I can get the refrigerator off grid, or if emergency happens where there's no power for, say, a week, at least if the refrigerator can run 6 hours out of the day, that'll be good. It'll be better. So, contemplating things here and there, seeing what I can do. But short and sweet, just to show you how I was digging them all out. I got all of the lights in there off grid right now. So that's a plus. Here we got to go check the batteries and see how all that's going to work out and do the math on how to bring the garden indoors completely off grid. And you have a nice sunny day.